Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, the manager of an online news source received the risk report on the number of subscriptions sold by the service. So in 2012, they sold 5,600, and in 2013, they sold 5,880. And the manager estimated that the percent increase from 2012 to 2013 would be double the percent increase from 2013 to 2014. So given this, how many subscriptions would they expect to be sold in 2014? So first we have to find the percent increase from 2012 to 2013. So the percent increase of anything is the difference between the old and the new divided by the old, divided by the original, right? It's the difference in terms of the original. So the difference is 5,880 minus 5,600. This is divided by 5,600. This is equal to 280 divided by 5,600. Put this in your calculator, you get 0.05. So this is the proportion, right? This is the fraction, this is the proportion, this is the ratio, whatever you want to call it. 0.05, have to multiply it by 100 to get 5%. Okay, so the difference, or the increase from 2012 to 2013 is 5%. We expect that to be double the percent increase for the next year, so 5 divided by 2, 2.5%, right? 5% is double 2.5%. So then what is the subscriptions in 2014? Well, it's going to be 2013 plus 2.5% of 2013, right? So the amount we had in 2013 plus 2.5% of it is the 2.5% increase. So we should specify it's the number in 2013. The number we're plugging in here is not 2013. So the number in 2013 is 5,880. We're adding that to 2.5%. What is 2.5%? Sort of doing the opposite here. It's 2.5 divided by 100, since a percent is just a number out of 100, which is 0.025. So you have 5,880 plus 0.025 times 5,880. Don't do this up by hand, plug it in your calculator and you'll get 6,027 is the expected number of subscriptions in 2014. 6,027 runs up B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.